The Pineal Path isn't a retreat, it's a reckoning. A full system reset for men who are done running from their pain, their patterns, and their potential. This is where you stop pretending, where you stop numbing, where you stop hiding behind excuses, ego, and "I'm fine." Here you'll face yourself, the real you, the man beneath the armor. You'll delve deeper than you ever have. You'll confront your shadow and feel the weight you've been carrying for years. And you'll finally let it go. Through intense breathwork, somatic release, fire and river rites, men's circle initiations, and embodiment challenges, you'll be stripped down to truth. No masks, no bullshit, no avoidance. You'll become a man who leads himself first, a man who speaks with conviction, holds his boundaries, and walks through the world with grounded, calm strength. Not hardened, not numb, but awake. A warrior with heart, anchored, honest, unshakable. If you're ready to stop drifting and step into who you are meant to be, the Pineal Path is your initiation. And when you leave this container, you won't return to life as the same man. You'll return as the one who chose his path, not the one who is dragged by it.